All right, as promised, we're going to do some pork ribs, bone-in type. They're frozen solid, and we're going to pressure cook them. I forgot barbecue sauce. I already got ribbed about that a little while ago, a couple 3 days ago. How can you? I had. What did he say? Oh, he had. I should think about turning in my man card. Forgot barbecue sauce, and I'm not going to do the ribs on the fire and all that stuff. But I like them a whole lot better in the pressure cooker. Unfortunately, yeah, I did forget the barbecue sauce. But that's all right, because we like pork anyway. So put them in frozen. About a half a cup, 3/4 cup of water. Right on the top. And then we're going to seal it up. Maybe. I have such a hard time getting this lid on for some reason. Ah, come on. There. Jeez. Got to hold your tongue just right. What did I do with my lighter? Alright. Well, let's get started. After it comes up to pressure, about between 30 and 35 minutes. And then they're done. So we'll just let that come up to pressure, and we'll start cooking them, and then I'll turn the camera back on, but we're going to pause it for right now. Okay, that took about 10 minutes or so. I'm at high altitude, so it takes a little while for it to build up. But as soon as it starts to wobble like that and make that noise, then you start the clock. So we're going to do this for about 30 minutes, between 30 and 35, and it should be done. Might want to turn your temperature down just a little bit. Alright, we'll just let that go for about 30 minutes, like I said, and we're going to pause the camera for now. Okay, it's halftime. So I have to do my halftime comment. Mama always said, when the wobblers are doing the hula dance, that's the promise of a good dinner. Can't say the other word because YouTube thinks I say something else, and then I get demonetized. So, and you guys that have watched my cooking videos before know what I'm talking about. And nope, I'm not going to say it. So we got about 15 minutes or so. Like 30 minutes. The meat is very, very tender at that point, and you can still chew it. You know, pick it up and bite it off the bone. 35 minutes, and the meat starts falling off the bone before you can get it out of the pot. So it's kind of up to you. It's how you like to have it cooked. So we're going to shut down again. We're going to pause here for a minute, and when it's done, I'll turn it back on. Okay, it's been about 29 and a half minutes, so they come out best if you let the heat dissipate by itself. Some people say, you know, put it in the sink, run cool water on the lid, and that'll get rid of the pressure quick. It does. But I like to leave it just come down all by itself. Let it breathe for, 5 minutes or so. That'll help suck the juices back up into the meat. So, and then I'm going to throw some asparagus in there in a few minutes. If y'all don't like asparagus, well, you can just put in there anything that you want, or, put it on the side. But I like to put it in there and let it sit in the juices for just a little bit. Pause. Okay, it's time to eat. So that's how you do, that's how I do country style pork ribs in a pressure cooker off grid. This pressure cooker is available on my Amazon page. That's in the link in the bottom of the of this video. Just click on the Amazon link. It'll take you to my influencer page. There's some new stuff on there. You know, there's 2 things, camping and then more camping stuff. Just look there on that page where it says influencer, and that's the one you click on. It'll take you to all of the other merchandise that's available on my site. And you can also get the Instapot. It's the same thing, except it uses electricity. So in order for me to be off-grid, I use propane with the pressure cooker, the steam pressure cooker. I don't like running my batteries down, but it works just the same, and it tastes just the same. I think that's about it. Talk to you again soon.